Let's see how good it goes. Come on in. So what brakes it running?
215.
215. Is it quick?
Quick enough.
How long you had the car for?
About a year and a half.
A year and a half. You planning on keeping it?
Yeah, a long time.
You got much more to do?
Never stops, does it really? To be honest.
Oh, you know, some people they get to a certain point and then they stop, so just want to know if like you've got much more to do really.
Just keep going and going and going.
Just keep going and going and going. So what mods have you done?
Done full boost hose kit, reduction kit, front and intercooler, full exhaust system.
Yeah.
It's custom made on. Oh my God. Full stainless exhaust system. So boost gauges.
Sounds nice though. It does sound nice.
Yeah, it's not many cars that sound like the Abarth. That's what I like about them.
It's got that sort of diesel sound in it. Like
Yeah.
you can hear the diesel sound in it really.
Everyone taking the piss out of it for it. So that tranny, no.
I'm surprised you haven't gone with like all the like people in the car scene at the moment. There's all the pops and bangs and everything.
No, they do my head in sometimes. They're alright, just not when they're excessive. A bit like your one, mate, to be honest.
Let's see how good it goes. Come on in. Yeah! Fucking hell. Right. Yeah, I'll give you that. It is quick. It is quick, I'll give you that. I've never seen a car jump so high. So you're on coilovers?
I'm on coilovers, yeah.
Yeah. Have you maxed it out or?
No, I've still got quite a lot of fail. I try to stay standard ride height.
Yeah.
The SS come with lowering springs from factory anyway.
Yeah.
So I try to keep standard ride height just because I like OEM look.
Yeah.
It was a lot better and I don't want to be too low. I've done that on my ST and it was horrific.
Yeah. I have to admit, I do remember your ST.
Yeah, that was low.
You did love that car though.
That was yeah, it was right.
So what's your next plans for it?
I want to do a hybrid turbo.
Yeah.
I want to get an LSD.
Yeah.
I want to start tracking it really. Got
Nice.
really sharp brakes in.
Well, these come standard with a like big brake setup anyway, don't they? So.
Yeah, they come with floated discs. I mean, I haven't put them back on at the moment.
Yeah.
Just money. They're like 850.
They're not cheap.
Discs, no.
Nah. So have you still got them and everything?
Yeah, I've got the floating discs at home. They still got a bit of grip left.
Yeah.
But
So what tracks you planning on doing?
hey,
What tracks you planning on doing?
as many as I can.
Many as you can.
Yeah.
Did you go to any like big shows or anything?
I went to a fast show last year. I was meant to go this year.
Yeah.
Didn't get around to it obviously because of COVID.
Yeah. It's always a worrying part.
It'd be nice to go Italy with the Abarth group.
Yeah.
But obviously that won't be till next year.
No, it's nice.
I've got the Auto Italia show at the end of the year.
Yeah.
It's been moved back.
Uh-huh.
I was going to do edition 38. I wanted to go players. But
Yeah.
obviously I just ended up going there.
Yeah, no. Apparently it's a good weekend up there.
Yeah. Take that road as well.
Nice.
So, didn't go on the trip.
What's that?
Feels fuck.
Was the car mapped by?
PSL Performance.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's good. We've done some work on
Yeah, nice.
it. Wouldn't go to anyone else for my mapping really.
It does sound really nice though.
Yeah, it's the turbo power, mate.
Yeah, it's got that little bit of the like sounds like a Subaru but a diesel version.
Yeah, well, now you're taking the piss out of it. Jesus.
It's a Subaru but not as fast as one, yeah?
I've done a Subaru before.
Have you? Oh. What is it, 0 to 20?
No, it did have a boost leak.
Yeah, it did have a boost leak, I remember that, yeah.
Yeah.
They've had quite a few problems. The thing is, where it's like an Abarth, they're hard to get parts for really, aren't they? So
Yeah, I mean, drive shaft's going to cost me nearly 700 quid and I thought it was that.
yeah,
So that'd be
mate.